What is up, guys? Moncappy is back, and now I'm just on my break from work. But my wife just messaged me, and she said the package has arrived. I'm so fucking excited. Shit, should I go home? Fuck. Yeah. What is up, guys? I'm home right now and I just got the package. So we had to move this parts right here to the autofocus to the new case, but my wife wanted to try how to put all the components into the CPU itself, so she's gonna be the one building it, right? Yeah, she's my wife right there. So let's start right now by disassembling my current setup, and we'll move on from there, okay? Now that we are fully done here, as you can see, it's time to show you guys the new case, which is the Cougar Conquer, tomorrow, because I'm so tired right now. I cannot do it, so I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so today is the next day, and we are unboxing this fucking gigantic box right here. So right now we're just gonna be opening this one, and I'll show you what you will gonna be getting once you got your Cougar Conquer case. Alright. Look how huge this is. It's half of my size. I'm only 5'6". Well, 5'5". No, 5'6". Round it off. I also forgot that we have a cutter. Perfect. I thought this scissor is my only resources. Guess what? We have a cutter. Okay, so I did it the wrong way. I was trying to open the box on the sides, but apparently there's I think you can open it from here. From there.
The baby's kicking. He likes it.
Cougar Conquer. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, there's another box. Oh shit. Look at the finish. Looks so good. So we'll be getting 3 fans. 1, 2, 3. Then I believe this one is the shield for the power supply. I got some, I'm not sure if these are like mounting brackets for the fan. This one is, I believe, for the motherboard, and some straps. This one, I'm not sure, but for now that is just a piece of metal. Okay, you can take that off. What else do we got? Oh, okay. We got another. Oh, so this one we have another. Oh, we got the 2 tempered glass. Oh shit. This one looks sturdy. Okay. 1, 2. Why is it so hard? It's really hard when you're only using one hand. That is why I got 2 extra hands right there. Hi. Don't drop it. Alright. Nope. Oh, I think that metal plate is actually part of the actual. That is actually part of the whole frame. So there's one more over here. Ooh, and that is the actual frame. Look at that. Damn! Oh man. Oh man. And this is the Cougar Conquer brake. Look at this. Oh my god. This one looks so nice. And it feels nice. Shit. And we gotta fucking look. What the? Yeah, nothing. We got nothing. So once you got your package, this is all you're gonna be getting. You're gonna get 2 of the panels, the actual frame, 3 fans, 1, 2, 3. Power supply brackets. I'm not sure what kind of bracket. Fan brackets, and I believe this is like the. We'll see later, right? Okay, let's put all the foams back in. And we will start assembling. Alright guys, so we are done, and this is the Cougar Conquer. Quality of the case is actually pretty good. It felt like a MacBook Pro or a Razer Blade because I had those ones. The feel is actually the exact same thing as those two, and you just feel like the quality, you know that it's fucking expensive. You know what I mean? Although there's a couple flaws with the build. I see that there's actually a missing notch in the back.
I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like that, but that is all that is given to me.
And another problem with this case though is that, see, because of the orientation of the power supply, it's at the front of the case. So the problem is, I think you need to actually buy a power supply extension cords for you to run the cables from the front down here all the way to the motherboards, and especially to the CPU power. Because right now what I did is I literally just run the cable from there inside and connect it directly to the power supply, because that's the only way. But that's okay, because I will probably gonna be buying an extension anyways, like the white ones. So yeah, so that is it for today guys. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed that. And if your Cougar Conquer is coming on the way, I wish you all good luck, and maybe you wouldn't have a missing piece. I don't know if that's a thing, or I'm probably gonna contact Cougar and I'll let you guys know about that. So yes, if you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe, as I will gonna be updating this bad boy right here very soon. I have a couple plans actually, but I don't have the fucking money to buy all those stuff because they're expensive, man. Anyways, see you guys soon. Later.